Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making sauteed peppers in a unique sauce. So go ahead and add oil to the heated pan, and then I have added ginger and garlic paste and some scallions. Saute them nicely for maybe 3-4 minutes. Oh, I have burnt them a little, but it's fine. It's gonna taste very good anyways. Now I'm adding largely chopped onions. Then we are going to add peppers. I have green and red. You can definitely use orange and other colors. So we are sauteing them maybe for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now we are going to start making the sauce right here. So go ahead and add soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Yes, ketchup goes there. Now half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. All these sauces together adds a very unique flavor to this dish, and you can definitely add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice if you want, and just saute them. Let the sauces add the flavor to these peppers and enjoy the aroma and the sizzling sound. It's gonna cook very nicely. This is a great side dish for any kind of rice item, or you can even add this to your fried rice or maybe even tacos. And now just let it cook for a couple of more minutes. And here is my husband adding his complimenting words. And I'm adding sesame seeds for garnishing. Enjoy, cook for health, and leave the comment.